In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a Canva design to Elementor in the easiest way possible. Whether you want to place a Canva graphic into a landing page, a blog layout, or a homepage section, this is a simple workflow that saves time and gives you a clean result. I'll show you the fastest method first, which is exporting your Canva design as an image and uploading it into Elementor. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step website and design tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your Canva design and make sure everything looks exactly how you want it to appear on your website. This is important because once you export it, the design will be used as a finished image inside Elementor. When you're ready, go to the top right corner of Canva and click Share. From the Share menu, choose Download. This will open the export options for your design. Now select either PNG or JPG. If you want the best quality and sharper text, PNG is usually the better option. If the file is very image heavy and you want a slightly smaller size, JPG can also work well. After selecting your file type, click Download and save the file to your computer. Once your Canva design is downloaded, open your WordPress dashboard and go into Elementor. Go to the page where you want to place the design, then click Edit with Elementor. Inside the Elementor editor, find the area where you want to add your Canva graphic. Drag an image widget into the container or section where the design should appear. After placing the widget, click the image placeholder and upload the Canva file you just downloaded. Choose the image from your computer and insert it into the widget. Once the image appears, you can adjust the settings if needed. For the best display, navigate to the image size option and set it to full. This helps preserve the quality of your Canva design and ensures it shows up clearly on the page. You can also check the alignment, spacing, and margins to make sure it fits naturally with the rest of your layout. If your design is part of a hero section or banner area, take a moment to preview how it looks on desktop, tablet, and mobile so you can make sure everything stays responsive. When you're happy with the placement, go to the top right corner of Elementor and click Publish. This will make your Canva design live on the page, and that's it. Your Canva design is now added to Elementor as a clean, high-quality image. This method is the fastest and most reliable option for most users, especially if you want a simple visual result without extra code or complicated setup. If you want to get more advanced, Canva also supports embed style options in some cases, but for speed and ease, exporting as an image is the method I recommend most. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.